Hello everyone, today I will show you step by step how to make smooth Twixtor in After Effects. Firstly, prepare your raw tracked clips. Now pre-compose them one by one using these settings. Once that's done, create an adjustment layer above your clip and trim off the excess. Add Twixtor Pro and follow my settings. Create a speed keyframe and copy my values. Select all the keyframes and ease them. Match the input frame rate to your clip's frame rate. You can check in project area. Duplicate the layer and put it above all other clips. Hold Alt while stretching layer. Final preview. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments what tutorial I should make next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.